Hey everybody, I want to show you how I made a inexpensive UV sterilizer for my furnace. Here are some of the things you can use to assemble it. I used just a cheap light socket. I think I paid less than $2 on Amazon. A piece of plywood or polycarbonate. I used polycarbonate because I had it laying around. You're going to need the UV light, which I got this off of Amazon, and then just a piece of cord. Now, one thing I'd recommend is if you're going to mount this to a thin piece of plywood, I would bolt it all the way through with a nut on the back side just to hold it firm. One thing I would do is I would drill a hole for your extended cord or your cord to go through when you're mounting the light up. And then once you get that secured, screw your light bulb to the top. And then one thing I did, I had this register, I had one on either side. I removed one, and then I left the hole, and I just slid this through the hole and screwed it into the sheet metal of the right above the A coil. So this is how mine looks on. There it is. I have this tape low or high enough where it blocks the UV light from shining in my eyes. But then there it is right above there. And then I use 3M tape, foil tape all the way around. Here's my extension cord. And then I plugged it in over on the other side of the furnace. Now you don't want to look into the light. I'm using this piece of PVC to block my eyes, because you can get burns to your eyeballs. So it took me maybe 5 minutes to do it. Now this project cost me about $30 for the bulb, $2 for this. I had the plywood and the cord just laying around the garage. You can buy one for your furnace online that basically does the same thing. I don't know if it's as powerful, but it's $100 just for that. And the bulb will last 6 months to a year. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any comments, I am not a professional, so this is just the idea I came up with. If you've got one better, love to hear about it. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later.